This is a 2014 or 2015 Jeep Patriot with a 2.4-liter engine. The bumper is off on this car, and the reason is because we are replacing the pressure transducer or pressure sensor for the AC. This sensor is located right here, and interestingly enough, you can just unscrew this sensor from the high line. It has a Schrader valve. You don't need to evacuate your system first. And this is the connector for it. It just plugs right in. And now we're ready to go. All we have to do is put the bumper back on. This is the old switch, and you cannot tell much just by looking at them. This one has, let's say it has served its time. This is the box of the replacement with the part number. And this is a pretty generic item. There are different manufacturers that offer this same part, and I'll link to them in the video description. Now, there's really no way to replace the sensor with the bumper on, but I just thought I would show you its location and what you have to do in order to replace it if it's bad on your car. Thank you for watching this video, and catch you in the next one.